Assalamu alaikum. Today I will show you how to make a little shoe for a baby boy, and so this is my cute little shoe. So let's start. This is for 0 to 3 months. I am using 3.5 millimeter needle, and I'm using double this is 3 ply, so I will use double thread. So let's start. Make 10 chain. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Now make half double crochet in the second one, 2 half double crochet, and now make half double crochet into remaining stitches. Now this is my last chain. I will make 5 half double crochet into the last chain, 2 3 4 and 5. Now I will make half double crochet in the remaining stitches. In the last I'll make 2 half double crochet. In the last I'll make 2 half double crochet, and now make slip stitch to the second chain. Now this is my first row. Now chain 1, and make single crochet in the same stitch. Now make 2 single crochet in the next chain stitch, and now 3 single crochet in the next stitches, 1 2 and 3. Now half double crochet in the next. Now make 5 double crochet, 1 2. Now in the next 5 stitches I will make 2 double crochet, see, in 5 stitches make 2 double crochet. Now I did my 2 double crochet in 5 stitches. Then I will make 1 2 3 and 3 half double crochet, then half double crochet in the next half double crochet, and make 3 single crochet, 1 2 and 3, and the last 2 stitches make 2 single crochet. And now stitch, make a slip stitch, this one. See, now chain 1, in the same stitch make single crochet, and make 1 single crochet in all stitches, in the remaining stitches. When I will reach there I will tell you what to do. So make single crochet to the, now make, when I reach there, make a set of 2 single crochet in same stitch, and 1 in next stitch single crochet. This is one set. Now again 2 single crochet in the same and 1 in the next stitch. So make 3 of set in a row. Now I will make single crochet till to the end. Now I cut my blue yarn. Now I will use white. So insert your hook in the back loop of the shoe sole. See, and 2 half double crochet in the next back loop of shoe sole. So do it till to the end. Make it all over till to the end. Now I did all around the white white yarn, half double crochet. Now again make double crochet, chain 3 and make front post, and again back post double crochet, front post double crochet, back post from the back side and make double crochet. Now this is front post in from the front side. Look, insert hook and make double crochet. So do it all around till to the end, all around till to the end. Now I did my back post, front post all over till to the end. Now I will do chain 2 and in the next make front post 1 and in the next 2, in the next front post 3, back post 4. So do it 10 times. 1 2 3 4. Now I did my 10 half and front post, back and front post. Now I will make decrease of the next stitches. So front post, hold it. Now again turn the yarn over and back post, and when you have left 3, pull through all of it. Again front 2 3. Now again make it for 9 times. How much I did? Let's count. This is my first, second, third, fourth. I did for 8 times decrease. Now I will start my next 10 stitches with front and back post. This is my front post and this is my back, and do it for till to the this end. Now again chain 2 and front post, back post, front, double crochet, back, front, back, front, and front, back. Now here my decreases start, so I will make decrease of the only front post. Okay, these are my front posts. See, first one, hold, again turn over, in the second front post make it Now this again in the front post and in the next front and next and next and in the next 4 decrease of the. Now make half double crochet and back double crochet and front double crochet till to the end. Now see, this is my, I finished my fourth row. So now start my next. This is my last. So make back and front post same as I did before. When I reach to my decrease point, I will tell you what to do. It is very easy to crochet the shoe, very easy. So now I'm starting my decreasing. So see, yarn over and in the stitch make 1, again yarn over, in the next pull a loop, make 1, 2 from 2, pull over 2, pull pull yarn from 2 and hold it, again yarn over, in the next yarn over into the next and yarn over into the next, and now pull 1 2 3 4 5 6 and now make it in all of it and make front post and back post. So this is my last front post and back post of the shoe. See, till to the end. Now this is the shape of the white yarn. So I will start my second. I will use 3 mm. So I will use single thread of the blue yarn and I will insert here. This is the middle, so I will insert here and start my double crochet 1 2 3. ठीक है? Okay. And now in the back post of the stitch I will make double crochet. In the next make double crochet and in the next, so make it double crochet all over. Now I reach to my end of the front, so again 3 and double crochet into the same stitch and again double crochet all over till to the end. Now I will make a strap or what you call it for the shoe. So I will take my 3.5 mm and make with double yarn 35 chain. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 35 chain. Now cut it here the leftovers from here to now into the front like this, and from the other side like this. Now make a bow. Like this. So my second shoe is also ready. Look, it will look like this. See how beautiful it is. Excuse me. I hope you will like it, and I will see you in next tutorial inshallah. Till then, Allah Hafiz and take care of yourself.